How to use Hume Band, easy step-by-step guide. Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use your Hume Band from start to finish. Whether you just unboxed it or you're thinking about getting one, this is the only guide you need. Let's jump right in. Alright, so when you open the box, you're going to find three things inside. The Hume Band itself, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. Simple, nothing complicated here. Now before you do anything else, charge your band first. This is important. Before first-time use, you need to fully charge your Hume Band to activate it. To charge it, place it on the provided USB charging dock and connect the Type-C cable to a power source. While charging, the indicator light will cycle through red, blue, and green. Once charging is complete, the indicator will turn solid green. A full charge typically takes about 1.5 hours, so go grab a coffee and come back. While your band is charging, let's get the app ready. Install the free Hume Health app available on both iOS and Android. Create your profile and pair the band via Bluetooth Low Energy. Quick note, to use the Hume Band, your device must be running Android 5 or later or iOS 10 or later. Okay, your band is charged, now let's pair it. Short press the home button to wake up your Hume Band. Now open the Hume app. The setup wizard will automatically guide you through pairing. If you already have an account, log in, navigate to the Me page, select Add New Device. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, select your Hume Band from the list of detected devices. And the wizard will walk you through the rest. And one super important thing, pairing must be done through the Hume app, not via your phone's Bluetooth settings. Don't skip that. A firmware update will run automatically the first time you sync, so just let it finish. Now let's talk about how to wear it properly, because this actually matters for accuracy. Wear the band on your non-dominant wrist for best results. If you're right-handed, wear it on your left wrist. This placement reduces motion artifacts during daily activities. Place the band approximately 1 finger width above your wrist bone. The sensors should rest flat against the top of your wrist, not on the side. Make it snug but comfortable. You shouldn't see a gap between the sensors and your skin, but it also shouldn't dig in. Here's something most people don't realize. Your Hume Band is designed to learn your unique physiological patterns. During your first week, it's building a comprehensive baseline of how your body responds across different conditions and activities. Think of this as teaching your band to recognize your normal. So for the first 7 days, just wear it consistently, day and night, and live your normal life. On day 2, you'll get your cardiovascular health score. Then starting from day 5 and day 7, the most powerful insights unlock: metabolic capacity and metabolic momentum. Once calibration is done, here's your daily routine. Each morning, in just 10 seconds, check your metabolic capacity, momentum, and recovery. Think of them as your body's dashboard. The Hume Band automatically tracks heart rate variability, sleep stages, recovery depth, blood oxygen, skin temperature, activity levels, and strain, all passively, all day long. Just wear it and let it do its thing. And that's it, you're all set up and ready to go. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy. Memo: quick recap checklist. 1. Unbox. 2. Fully charge via USB-C dock. 3. Download Hume Health app, iOS, Android. 4. Pair via the app, not phone, Bluetooth. 5. Wear on non-dominant wrist. 1 finger above wrist bone. 6. Wear 24/7 for 7 days, calibration period. 7. Check daily scores and follow AI coaching tips. This script runs approximately *3 minutes when read at a natural